to tell you there are in one paper pack 78 sheets in total. They are A4 size, 21 by 29.5 centimeters, and each sheet is 6 sheets included. So you get 12 double-sided pages plus the cover. So each set is 6 times included, and one set is 13 pages. So in front of me I have one set. I am gonna dig in. So first of all you have the cover, and in the back I used a very nice grungy beige background with some mauve, pink, purple little dot. I love it. So I especially made this on the cover because the front cover you can't use that much. Well, you can cut out a few images and you can use the Fantasy Dream title, but further than that I have no idea. Well, maybe you can cut out some round pieces. You still can do that. But anyway, so it's a nice, easy to use page on the back, so you can use it. And then we have a busy one, a little pink purple color. We like it with this damask ornament page. I really like it. It's busy, but I really like it. And that's all the meaning of a paper collection. You can do busy, but then you need to have some plain ones. So this is the back, same color as the front. We like it, but still we have some pattern in it. Very easy to use. Love it. And then we have this page, and I really like the color combination with the blue and the purple and the pink and everything. And this reminds me of the letters that I used to be writing when I was young. Then I got all kind of collections of this kind of papers where you can write something down with a pen instead of using your phone sending an email. I really like that stage of my life. Really cool. This edges is a very nice strip, left and right, so you also can cut it out and you can use that as a strip. Really like it. Cool. Then the back is a very nice grungy pink one. Easy to be used, but yeah, grungy. And I really like the color, the mauve pink. Really, I'm obsessed with that. Then my first cutout page has some little tags, some little ornaments with a nice shape in here, and I hope to try to do something with that during the tutorial. Here we have some round ones. You can still use that for the envelope closures. And then this time I used for the first time some cutouts with some hinges. Like this one is a very nice little envelope, and I did not try it out yet, so I am very curious how it all will look. So, and here we have a little envelope, and here is also, I think, a closed pocket or something, I don't know. And then the back is very plain as a little burlap linen page, easy to be used. Then we have the small flower page, again the nice creamy white back with all the flowers, and they are fading. The deeper they get, they're fading. So really, if they are falling, I really like that element in a page. So cool, I like it. And then the back, oh, of course, the dots. I really like it. We have the mauve pink color again with the white dot, and yeah, I can't get enough of it. I hope you can't too. And then the next cutout page with 9 beautiful images. And yeah, it is a fantasy dream. I really like it. It's very fairy and into the forest with all the with the little jars and the beautiful flowers and doors and the little girls. I really like it. So cool. And then this one is a very mixed media, some splashes, some grungy ornaments in it. There were some lyrics in it. So very easy to use. I really like it. And then this page, you also can use this as strips, as you can see. Very cool with all the little jars. Jars, I call that. Vases and pots and bird cages. Really like it. And then the back, it's very plain. I am obsessed with this one. This is, yeah, not that I would easily do, but it's so plain. Plain with a white square pattern inside. I really like it, and it fits marvelous with all the pages, because yeah, it's very busy and everything, so I thought a plain one needs to go inside. Here we have another cut out pages, and here are some pockets with hinges. Also the first time that I try this out, so I'm very curious how it all works. And here we have also some nice words. So beautiful, you and me, memories, never too old, living my dream, it's only you, my family, notes, dreams, this is too cute, it is, my home, and it's a fairy tale. Carl, cute. Then here we have another beige grungy background, and then we have some flowery ornaments in the color mauve pink. So cool. Love to use this. Another busy one, but then a nice purple one. And the back is a very nice dark purple, because I do like to have the darkness coming back, so the contrast is there in this collection. We have another beautiful cutout, again with the 9 images. These are also perfect to make cards with this collection, so if you don't want to make the project with me, just order your papers while I'll still have them on in my stash, because they will go fast. I will definitely know that, and I do not have that much. I will not order that much as I did in the past. So for example, I still have my Sherlock Holmes papers, but the meaning is, I hope that the papers that I design now, I will not buy them so much. So I don't want to have a paper collection for having like 5 or 10 years having here in my room. So that's not, so I changed that. So if you like the paper, don't wait that long, because in the next 5 years I hope that I will not have them anymore. And if I not have them anymore, then you will like them. You did like them. Okay, I babble too much, I know. But look at these images. Oh my gosh, this is to die for. It is. At least I think it is. It's so cute, cute, cute. And the back is a nice, a little darker lilac, but still we have that beautiful, beautiful pattern inside. So cool. Yeah, okay, so sorry. We have another dot, but then this time the beige back, and then we have the dark purple one. It's so easy to use and I just love it. And then the back, yeah, you know I like stripes, but this time I made it a little wider, so it really pops up in your face. And there is some lyrics and some words on the background, so, and some splashes here and there. I really like this page. And then yeah, this one is also same as the little flowers. It fades away the deeper that you look. But I do like butterflies. And if you are making a fantasy dream paper collection, then of course the butterflies need to be inside. And then the back, it's the same as this one, but then a very, yeah, lilac pink color. So a light one, so cool. And for the contrast, I could not resist making a nice dark wood one. Fits with everything. And the back we have the same flowery ornaments, but then in the nude colors, so it fits everywhere. So I hope you like this collection, guys. Fantasy Dream. It's now available. Send me an email. The email address is be notified in everywhere you look. Send me an email. It's going to be found under the description box below this video. And get this guys, before it's gone. Look how many. Oh, it's amazing. I can't wait to start with it. So I am gonna start cutting some cut out pages and get it. Send me an email. Hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye. Hello. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I like to show you my new paper collection Fantasy Dream, and in my opinion it's my fantasy. Alright, so let me dig in.